Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use a remittance coupon to pay bills. Here's how to use a remittance coupon to pay your bills efficiently. First, get your remittance coupon. This detachable slip can be found at the bottom of your paper bill or downloaded as a printable PDF online. Next, verify all billing details such as your name, address, and account number to avoid payment delays. Then fill in the exact payment amount in the box labeled Amount to Pay. After that, choose your payment method. You can mail it with a check or money order, pay at a partner bank, kiosk, or post office, or even submit it online by entering your coupon and account details. Detach the coupon carefully along the perforated line, making sure barcodes remain intact. When mailing, include your payment in the return envelope. For in person payments, hand a coupon over for scanning. Finally, confirm your payment, track mailed payments, request a receipt, or save your online confirmation page. It's simple, quick, and ensures your bills are paid right on time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.